Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mindy. I hope you enjoy it here. Find some things you like to watch and come back. Maybe think about subscribing. And if you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys, hit the notification bell so you'll know when videos are coming up and things like that. And I would like to send a shout out to Kathy for a super thanks on a video. Thank you so much. That's always an option that's available there for a couple bucks. If you really like the video, give it a super thanks. And I thank you ahead of time. All right. So this is an order from Fansells. Let's get right to it and see what we have. Thank you, Fansells, for continuing to work with me and letting me pick out some nice things to show you guys. I love this. They're coming out with some landscapes and special drills. There are like quite a few of them, and I'm loving it. All right, here's your toolkit. Comes with all the little kits. And here is our landscape painting. It is a 30 by 40, as you can tell. Let's zoom in a little bit. 30 by 40. And look at it, it's just this sweet little path walking out to the pond, flowers. Take a little rest, sit on the bench, smell the flowers, under this beautiful flowering tree, butterflies all over. Isn't it pretty? It is so pretty. And it has got 9 different types of drills on it. I love that. So stinking pretty. All right, let's look at our drills and see what we get. A lot of pretty colors, I'm sure, for all those flowers. All right, here we go. What comes in our package? We have some red rhinestones, some either brown or gray, one of the two, green, yellow, some clear, some light blue. Oh, look at all that pretty pink. You know where that's going? That is going in that tree. And then the brown, that's for the tree and the bench. Here's our one special drill, a iridescent faceted marquee. Love it. In green. Okay, love that. So pretty. I'm really liking these. I always like to go look for the new stuff. I always try to go filter out for newest items and stuff like that. Yep, this was one of them. You got it. All right, what do we have in here? I don't know. This is an interesting package. Let's see what we got. What do we have? Oh yeah, okay. We got some notebooks. I have not gotten notebooks in a hot minute. And I've sold all of my notebooks I had at craft shows, and I figured it was time to get a few more. So let's see what we got. What did we get? Okay, come on. Get out of there. And they're wrapped individually. Okay, so we got more plastic. We got more plastic to unwrap here. One moment, please. Okay, we're getting there. We are getting there. So these came as a set of 2, clearly. You slide over. Did you see my... Just get out of here. Another toolkit. And here is our notebook. How cute. Isn't that adorable? So these are called sketchbooks. There's no lines. I haven't gotten a lined one in forever with lines on it. But isn't she cute? Super cute. All right. Drills. They look like they're all going to be like in the golden tones. I know a grandkid that would love that. He is totally into gold these days. Everything gold. Here, I have a gold snowman. All right. We're almost there. We're almost there. But let's start out with some clear rhinestones. There you go. Thank you. Clear rhinestones, pink, and then the gold. And then look at all these golds. Gold faceted marquees and 2 different sizes of faceted rounds. I'm telling you, that's a gold snowman for you. Snowman, snow girl, snow creature, snow something. All right, let's see what this one is. I think I know what it is. Pretty sure it's another snowman because I think they came in like sets, of similar type things. I do. Look at it. That one's a blue snowman. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Again, the sketchbook. Love these. These are so neat. I have a couple and I use them all the time. I have certain things I take notes in and records in, and one is goes to my craft shows with me, records all my sales, and I love them. I mean, I just love them. All right, what are our drills? Let us find out. So we have clear rhinestones, red, green, a light icy blue, and a turquoise blue. Oh, these are gorgeous. What color are those? Purple, blue? I don't even know. Little, they're beautiful. Those are beautiful. Iridescent faceted rounds. Love them. Here are some clear faceted teardrops, larger teardrops. Some clear faceted marquees. Those have iridescent on them. They both might. And then some little red rounds. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. That's so pretty. All right, so it looks like I have some notebook drilling to do in my future. It is smashing the specials. So, yeah, I got time to be working on some special drill projects for sure. And all of these are special drill. You notice that most of the time I get special drills from these companies now. I don't know, it's what I like, you know? Our protective piece of foam. Love it. I'm so happy they're doing that now because too many of these came broken. Oh, hello. Stuff come flying out. Sorry. So sorry for the racket. Okay, here is our base. Make sure you take the film off both sides. Another toolkit. All right, set that over there. And here's our drills. They look like Easter colors. Yep, because look at, oh my goodness, that's cute. It is an Easter bunny gnome. Oh my goodness, that is cute. That is so cute. I love it. Easter eggs everywhere. Look at that Easter egg hanging off his ears. Oh my gosh, that's cute. All the pretty flowers. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. I love it. Absolutely love it. That is so cute. Yeah, just looking at these drills, I was like, man, these are very Eastery colors. All the pinks and blues and light pastel kind of colors. I'm like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. What do we get? We get, of course, clear rhinestones. You notice that like 80% of these start with clear rhinestones. A pretty pink, a light green. Look at that beautiful turquoise color. Really, that's it? That's it for the rhinestones? Ah, there's only 4 rhinestones. You guys, the rest are special drills. Look at those smooth pink teardrops. Look at these pretty pink faceted marquees. How about some round gold? Gold rounds. Round golds. How about some little purple teardrops? Those are, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm going to try to squeeze at least something from this order into the lineup for Smashing the Specials this month. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can do. Okay, we got the 2 notebooks. We got the little spring Easter gnome. And then we have the landscape painting. Ah, let's find it. Where is it? Here's our landscape painting. There it is. Oh, don't cover up the gnome. Mindy, don't cover up the cute little Easter bunny gnome. Here, let's do that. Let's spread them out. Yeah, there they are. Anyhow, cute. Let me know which ones you like. What's your favorite? And which one should I do? Like, which one should I do? Like, right away here. I mean, not that I don't have a whole box of stuff set aside to work on, but I want to do something from this set right here. Let me know what you think. And thanks for watching, everybody. And, do those YouTube-y things. And, I appreciate it so much. And I'll see everybody soon. Bye, you guys.